guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to get this look using only products from Marshalls, just keep watching. Hey guys, today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial about products I have found at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So first off, I'm going to use this Elizabeth Arden Advanced Eye Fix Primer. Next I have these two eyeshadow palettes that I found. This one is the Artistic palette from Makeup Forever. I think this was like a holiday set that they had a year or so ago, but I've seen it a couple times at Marshalls. And I also have this Marc Jacobs palette, the 204, the Starlet palette, the Style Icon number 7. There's what the inside of it looks like. I think I'm primarily going to use the Marc Jacobs, but I may dabble into this one. So these are all basically shimmers in both of them. So we're going to go for a shimmery look today. So I'm going to start out with this one from the Makeup Forever and see if I can make it a transition shade. Alright, next I'm going to go into this one from the Marc Jacobs palette. And then next I'm going to go into this one from the Marc Jacobs palette. I'm going to go into this dark black one from the Makeup Forever palette. Alright, and now I'm going to go into this one from the Marc Jacobs palette. And then lastly, I'm going to use this one from the Marc Jacobs palette. I'll use this white one from the Makeup Forever for brow bone highlight. Okay, next I'm going to use the Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimizer. This isn't technically a primer, but on the back it says smooths, primes, and mattifies. So we're using it as a primer because I got it at Marshall. Okay, and for foundation, I found this Marc Jacobs Marvelous Mousse Foundation. I don't know if this is something you can find anywhere anymore, other than possibly at Marshall's. Alright, and concealer is like the only thing I didn't find at Marshall's, so I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to use this. This is actually the packaging it comes in. It's called the Loose and Silly Loose Setting Powder by Dinoplatz, which I think is branded by Too Cool for School. Loose and Silly Illusion No. 2 powder. There's what the package looks Alright, and next, also from that brand, this is the Dinoplatz Triceratops 3-in-1 Multifunctional Palette. And then inside it, there's a little mirror. It has something on it right now. Take that out. It has a highlighter, blush, and a bronzer. And it has a little drawer down here too. And inside the drawer is a little brush. But I'm probably not going to use it because it looks really small. I'm just going to go into the bronzer shade. I'm going to go into this blush next. And then I'll go in with this highlighting shade. So the other product I didn't find at Marshall's or TJ Maxx is a brow product. So I'm going to do those off camera and be right back in 3, 2, guess who's back? Alright, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes pencil. Now I did not get this at Marshall's, but I've seen it there, so I figure that counts. It's the Max Factor Masterpiece Max Mascara. These were in a set. There were 3 lipsticks and 3 lip pencils, and these are from Jena Taylor. Alright, do not really recommend these. These are not great. And I'm going to use the lipstick in the same color. I've also got this Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Magick. It's also been at Marshall's, so I'm going to pop that on top. Alright, so here's the finished makeup look. If you like seeing what you can do with products from Marshalls, just subscribe to my channel and you'll see when I upload the next one. Thanks!